In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a message as unread in Slack. If you've ever read a message in Slack and thought, I need to come back to this later, marking it as unread is the perfect way to set yourself a reminder. It moves Slack's unread marker back to a specific message, so you can easily pick up from that point when you return. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack. You'll see the official Slack site appear in the results. Click through to open Slack in your browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your workspace. If you're prompted to sign in, just do that as you normally would. Once Slack is open, navigate to the place where the message lives. This could be any channel or a direct message. Go ahead and open the channel you have in mind. You'll see the conversation stream with messages from you and your teammates. Now, choose the exact message you want to mark as unread. This is important because Slack will set the unread line right above that message, letting you resume the conversation from that point onward. Maybe it's a task you want to follow up on, a file you need to review, or an update you don't want to forget. Find that message in the timeline. Next, move your mouse over the message to reveal its controls. On the right side of the message, you'll see the three-dot More Actions button. Click those three dots to open the Message Options menu. If you don't see the dots at first, hover directly over the message text. Slack shows these controls only when your cursor is on the message. In the menu that appears, click Mark Unread. The moment you do, Slack will place an unread divider above that message and treat everything below it as unread. The channel name in your sidebar may turn bold, and you can come back later to continue reading from that point. This is a great way to create a lightweight to-do without leaving Slack or using an external reminder. A couple of quick tips for clarity. This works on individual messages, so you can be precise about where you want to resume. If you change your mind, you can open the same menu later and choose the option to mark as read, or simply scroll through the messages to clear the unread state as you normally would. And that's it. You've just learned the simplest way to mark a Slack message as unread, so nothing important slips through the cracks.